Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to move text in the Photopea app. It is very simple and easy to do, so let's get started. First of all, find the Photopea app on your home screen. Now open it. Then tap on to the simple editor button right here. Then tap on to choose from library. Now choose one photo that you want to edit. Now tap on to the text button right here to add the text. Now write whatever you want to add to your photo, just like this, and you can also change the color of the text. Now tap on to done. Now simply tap onto the text and move it like this. Now add your text wherever you want to add it. And that's it. This is how you can move the text on the Photopea app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.